So they just told me that this marble is 310 million years old. Good morning internet, it is 9:07 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Danielle is ready. I am now in a town called Cochrane in Chile, and today I'm riding to a place called, I should have prepared this, what's it called now? It's called Rio Murta. I think it's a tiny town, and so I think today is going to be a very nice day because I'm planning to do some exploring. I think I found a nice small road to explore, and there's something to see quite close to the place that I'm going to go today. So if I'm lucky, it should be a really good day. The weather looks amazing. It's quite warm. I'm actually sweating already a little bit in here. So let's see how the day goes. But I'm excited. Oh, I'll actually show you on the map a little bit where I am. Okay, so in the last video I crossed the border here into Chile. So this is where I am now, and where I'm gonna go today is very close to the kind of tip of the lake over here. So I'll do a little bit exploring in this area and then ride up to the lake. So the total distance of the day should be around 220 kilometers. All right, let's go. Hola. Alright, I am now leaving the Carretera Austral. I've been riding the Carretera Austral until now. And I am going to do a little bit of exploring on this track. Hi, you okay? Todo bien?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna follow this track for a bit.
You're gonna go up on the glacier?
No, no.
You're going on your own?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You too?
Yeah, it's unusual with women. I see a lot of bikers, but they're always like 5 or 10 men.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know why.
Where are you from?
Sweden?
Sweden.
You?
Holland.
Holland? Huh.
Yeah. So you're cycling all around Chile?
No, well, I'm going to Carretera Austral.
Oh, right.
So I'm going down towards, I'm not sure if I'm going to cross from O'Higgins. It's a part where you go down, there's no road, you got to carry everything, and that's hard for 2 days. This wasn't the best place though, where I slept.
Yeah, not good?
No.
Oh.
They all seem really depressed. And,
Oh.
I'm leaving. I've been camping, but I was putting my stuff together. I emptied my tent. There was no wind, and then the wind came, took the tent right up in the sky, and just off. Incredible! I was looking for a good day. It was, Swedish Hilleberg. That's the best tent you can get.
No.
And so I bought a new one in Kojake, but it's a very small one-man tent. But it's only because some parts they're too far to bicycle in a day.
Yeah, yeah.
So I need just to be sure I find something,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
I have something.
Yeah.
But I prefer to stay in
In a guest house or yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Much. It feels better in every way.
Yes.
Get a shower
I agree. Right, well, good luck on your trip.
Yeah, same to you. I should take a picture of you.
Yeah.
The only woman I met I bicycled through Africa, and also I met a woman who went by herself.
Oh yeah.
Away.
Wow.
And
how was bicycling through Africa?
oh, I loved it. It was fantastic.
Wow.
The kindest people you could imagine.
Yeah.
And people say, well, wasn't it dangerous? Dangerous how? Because I mean, it was just everyone was just nice. People are so nice and helpful. And if you stay out of big towns and tourist places,
Yeah.
that's never a problem.
That's great. Yeah.
And so I went on the eastern side. I went actually only from Kenya and down to South Africa.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
And some of those countries are beautiful.
Yeah.
Rwanda, Burundi,
Great.
Zimbabwe was beautiful also. Really nice.
Nice. All right. Good luck.
Yeah, good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye.
See you somewhere.
Oh, this is a nice trail. There's a gate here. I think it belongs to the farm. I think it's a public road and I can just open it and pass it, but I am not 100% sure. And you have horses here, so I think I'll just turn back. I don't want to, I don't know, scare somebody's horses on a private property or something. But cool place. It was a really nice trek. Just gonna turn back around and then go back to the Carretera Austral. And we're back on the Carretera Austral. the town called Puerto Rio Tranquillo. And the fire brigade. Oh, another one. Bomberos. Anyway, this is a small town. But they should have a petrol station here, which I need. Hola! So it's now 1:45. I'm quite hungry, so I'm just gonna see if I can eat something here. That'd be nice. Have a lunch. I had a very nice lunch. It turned out when I entered a restaurant, there were 2 other bikers there that recognized me. So it was very nice. They were from Italy and they paid me for my lunch. Super nice. So now I am going to ride to the place where I'm planning to stay tonight. Welkom in Bahia Murta. Hola. ¿Hay cabañas? Uno. Okay. Sí. ¿Disculpe?
No, le digo a la...
Oh.
Es lo que me queda.
Ah, es muy grande.
Es muy grande y es lo más chico que tengo. Porque esta es como lo más... Sí, porque las otras están ocupadas y son más grandes.
Ah, sí.
Y este es un solo ambiente.
Ah.
Tienes para... Tienes el baño.
So, I found an awesome place to stay. Oh, it's so nice. I already look forward to coming back here tonight. But first, I'm going to ride to a town called, what was now Puerto Sanchez, I think. And there, I'm going to try to catch a boat to see the marble caves. There's one boat, 2 boats, 3 boats. And I'm all ready. Look at this nice dive. So we're gonna go on the boat now and it's a 2-hour tour, so it's quite big. So let's see. ¿En cuál lado?
Díganos ustedes cómo ahí y acá, sí, usted acá.
Bueno. So they just told me that this marble is 310 million years old. So even though these rocks are 310 million years old, this process of the formation of the caves is much younger, so that only started 15,000 years ago. And if you remember from when I visited the cave of the Milodon, that got extinct around, I thought it was around 14,500 years ago, at the end of the glaciation. So around that time, the glacier era ended, so the Milodon got extinct. Humans started to come in this area, and that was also the reason why this lake where we've been going with the boat, that lake was formed after that last end of the glaciation. And this lake is basically just dissolving these rocks. So this process of the formation of the caves is only 15,000 years going on. So it's really quite short time span. So yeah, it really makes me wonder how this place is going to look like in another, I don't know, a couple of thousands of years. It's absolutely incredible. Look how big it is. So this is all part of Isla Los Arrayanes. Arrayanes. And this actually has a private owner who has no intention to building a mine here, because obviously all this marble is worth quite a lot of money. So this is not a protected area because it's privately owned, but so far no intention of mining it. So now it's open for us to come and enjoy these beautiful caves. Hola. Oh.
¿Quieres salir en tu video? Mira, esta caverna se conecta con la de al lado. Si pudiéramos bajar caminando, podríamos salir por allá.
Ah, sí. Ah, acá.
Sí.
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Okay. Okay, let's go. I'm back in what's called Rio Murta. It is now 8 o'clock, so man, it was a really long day. Yeah, it was more than 2 hours on the boat, I think, and then the ride back. But it was a fantastic day, super nice weather. I thought the marble caves were pretty impressive. It was very nice and just relaxing to sit on the boat. So I really liked it. Oh hey, there's another doggy. Oh, there's a problem with his leg. But yeah, so I would say that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.